Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up DeepSeek with Janitor AI in minutes. First, open the Janitor AI website and log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, click on My Chats. Here, you can open any existing chat and review its content. After checking, go back and click on Continue to move forward. Next, tap on the three lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From the options, select API settings. In this section, you will see different options including Janitor, LOM Beta, OpenAI, Claude, and Proxy. Click on Proxy to start the integration setup. Now, click on Add Configuration. Enter a name for your configuration, for example, DeepSeek, and then type in the model name you want to use. You will also need to provide the proxy URL. In a new browser tab, go to the OpenRouter website. Then, use the search bar to look for DeepSeek. You will find multiple models in the results. Select the one that fits your project needs best and copy its URL. Then, return to Janitor AI and paste the copied URL into the proxy URL field. You also have the option to enter an API key or a custom prompt, but these are optional and can be skipped if not needed. Finally, click on Add Configuration to complete the setup. Your DeepSeek integration with Janitor AI is now ready. You can test it by opening a new chat, selecting the DeepSeek model, and starting your queries. This integration allows you to leverage AI models quickly for research, content generation, or other creative tasks. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.